formal in that. So in that case, I guess maybe it can be justified. Otherwise, according to my reason, my sense of reasoning,
I would disagree with you on this because it is not only about that cup of coffee in that rupees 400. What people pay for is they go sit there, spend some time, whether it is for personal reasons or business reasons. There are a lot of people who sit and have business meetings at places like Barista,
People
CCD,
could
and
have
Starbucks.
many stuff of talks like something personal, something informative. A business deal with a friend can be made in a cup of coffee at a barista
that is
seat.
what I
As a
said.
But in my
menu of
point, it is not-
coffee, 400 for a coffee
Yeah,
is a
it
waste.
can be. It can be productive.
You
You
can
can't
spend
say
time
that
with
it
a
can
friend
not be
at a
productive.
roadside shop also, and I think
So
none of
not
us
everyone
have
would
friends.
do that.
Everyone would like to do that.
Exactly, everybody would not do that. I'm specifically talking about the people who go to Starbucks, who go to Barista just to show off that because our
It's
topic
not
is
exactly-
that
it is
is
not
that that
exactly
things
about
that
the
they
show
are
off.
going to do.
Yeah,
It's just
those
about
are things
branding
that they
that
are
people
About the
think
people who
Some
are
people
going there to
think-
show off,
हाँ,
even
अपना
they,
टमाटो
even a
ये
part of
time
them would be
exactly.
willing to go there for a reason.
हाँ,
And
very
obviously
true.
you
अब
cannot,
महाराजा
we cannot
burger आया है तो it is something
I agree.
constructive कि सारे friends
And
ऐसा
obviously we
मिलते हैं
cannot
तो
compare a
उसमें
cup of 20 rupees coffee and that 400 rupees coffee.
It all
The
depends
taste
on the
will also differ and the
environment we want
quality
to
will also
go
differ.
and
The
have
crowd
that.
in which you are sitting.
That
The
is
thing
not
is to
very
having
true.
a
That
chill
is not
with
very true.
people
I
there.
personally prefer CCD का coffee than Barista का coffee. जबकि Barista is a bigger brand when it
So
comes to
even
coffee.
if we are talking about
It's not-
CCD, the point
It's
remains
not
the
just
same.
about
नहीं,
brand.
I'm saying not quality and taste. I'm talking
I am
about
talking about
that.
the roadside stalls and the
Roadside
restaurants.
stalls may taste better than
Better
restaurant
than
coffee.
something
but
chai.
we-
Or
But
some
then
guys,
guys,
but then we are also
Tasting.
getting the
Guys,
environment, the place.
Guys, we are going outside the topic. The topic is whether the cool dudes
Spending
should
our
struggle.
foods.
But I would consider that they are not fools. They have some point to go there. They have to prove some point. They have maybe it's in their conscience that they have to prove a point that
They may have wrong
in their own
decisions.
self-consciousness to prove that they are good. Maybe there's some lack in their life which they need to cover up by that.
Maybe वही तो
Even
कहने का point है
I
कि
disagree
people
with the
think
topic.
that they are being little self. They are thinking of they suffer from probably an inferiority complex. If I call it
नहीं,
that.
I would
बहुत
disagree
ज़्यादा।
with this.
काफी लोगों को होता है,
If
काफी
someone
लोगों
can
को होता
spend
है।
400
You can't
on
say
a
about
coffee,
them. They have a
I'm not judging people जो वहाँ बैठ के startup के बारे में discuss कर रहे हैं. Obviously, you need an environment like
For
that.
someone
जहाँ
who
पे
can
आप
afford
कर
that
सकते
cup
हैं.
of coffee,
जो
for him
afford
it is
कर सकते हैं,
absolutely
obviously.
fine to do
Correct.
that.
सही है. Anush, what do you think? ये कुछ बोला नहीं है, तो हाँ.
Actually, cup of coffee. Actually, cup of coffee अपने घर पे भी अच्छा बना सकती है। Cup of coffee जो है हम हिंदी में बोले तो हम घर पे बना करके पी सकता है, उससे बढ़िया कॉफी पी सकता है। लेकिन मेरे घर पे कुछ तरह से लोग आएंगे नहीं, अगर किसी को बोले चलो कॉफी पीते हैं, मैं कहाँ भाई, चल मेरे घर पे पीते हैं, तो कोई नहीं आएगा। लेकिन अगर हम स्टारबक्स बुलाएंगे, जैसे आज का हम सबका प्लान है, कहाँ जाना है, तो कोई नहीं बोल रहा कि चलो मेरे घर चलो, तो कोई बोल भी दिया तो कोई जाएगा नहीं। लेकिन अपने कहाँ जाने की बात करें, डगआउट जाएंगे, 360 डिग्री जाएंगे, यहाँ जाएंगे, तो क्या यहाँ पैसा बर्बाद नहीं होगा?
पैसा बर्बाद होने का नहीं एग्जैक्टली, तो वहाँ
It's
जाएंगे
cheaper
मजे
to
के साथ में रहेंगे।
Exactly.
घर पे जाओगे तो घर के environment के हिसाब से रहना।
Other people will be conscious.
चलो ठीक है, अपने फिर भी चाहेंगे कि बेटर एम्बियंस पे जाए, बेटर जगह जाए,
Yeah.
उसकी जगह अपने चाहे
नहीं, लेकिन पता है, I know some
अगर
people
टिकट
ऐसा
ऐसे
कर ले
कर ले,
400 रुपए का, अगर अपने ये सोचे कि 400 रुपए लग जाएगा वहाँ जा करके, तो लेकिन अपने कोई नहीं चाहेगा कि कोई ऐसा जगह जाए जहाँ पे 200 रुपए में काम हो जाए, लेकिन अपने को ऐसा एम्बियंस नहीं मिलेगा, वैसा
My
नहीं
only point
मिलेगा।
is कि if someone can afford that 400 and he wants that kind of environment, I would not consider him a fool for spending that 400 on coffee. Because for me the coffee component in that 400 is just 100. The balance 300 is the secret, the environment, the ambience.
और बहुत कुछ मिल रहा है।
Proving some point. The major
जो
point
लोग
is
अफोर्ड
proving some
कर रहे हैं
point.
obviously उनके लिए अच्छा है, लेकिन I personally know people जो लोग अफ्रेड होते हैं दूसरों से मिलने के लिए, you know कि यार बोल नहीं सकते सामने वाले को कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है 400 रुपए तुम्हारे साथ सीडी में उड़ाने के लिए. So you know that category of people is also there, and because of these people जो लोग बाउच करते हैं कि हम जाएंगे मुंबई जाके हमको स्टारबक्स में एक चेक इन मारना है, उन लोगों के लिए they are becoming fools of themselves and maybe making us a fool also.
Even
Thinking
I would
कि
once
हाँ,
again disagree to
Consider
consider
this
Even
because
I
me,
Starbucks being a new
Because
brand,
I'm a
everybody
big
wants
fan
to
of
go
Starbucks.
once.
I go out there. I went to Delhi a few times ago, and I went to Starbucks.
इसी वजह से चल रहे हैं कि सबको यहाँ जाते हैं अपने
It's the environment. It's the thing which you want
It's
to
the
enjoy.
ambience that you want.
Exactly, and Starbucks is a new thing in India. Everybody wants to go there, and the quality is by far very good comparing to Barista, CCD, or any other coffee shop chains that we have in India. Starbucks is a totally class apart, so everybody would want to go there.
कॉफी का हो सकता है 50 से 100 रुपया मेरा, लेकिन वो बाकी जो एम्बियंस तुमको दे रहा है,
बाकी पैसा
Providing
300 उसका ले रहे हो,
everything
कॉफी का
else
सिर्फ 100 ही ले रहे हैं, ये
लोग
मान
आएंगे जिस तरह
A
के
coffee at a roadside would take a time for 10 minutes, but in a barista it would take a time of 1.5 hours.
But
Yeah.
उसमें ये भी होता है ना, you But people
chilling
are not.
out.
यहाँ पे तुम 400 के जो लोग बैठे थे वो लगेगा वाह यार ये मेरे लेवल के लोग हैं। अब वहीं तुम किसी रोड साइड वाले को
Exactly,
देखोगे,
that is what the whole world is about.
Networking. This is one of the biggest part of networking.
कि जो बंदा Starbucks अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता, easy and less than us, वो cool dude क्यों नहीं हो सकता? Obviously he is also cool.
वो बात नहीं है कि जो afford नहीं कर सकता।
He is just not
Like
that
I will
cool.
exactly my
point
example. A person going to Starbucks every day for a coffee or barista. There he is sitting alone, and once a girl or a boy comes, unknown person, he or she also comes and sits every day out there. They can chill out and they can be friends with each other, and it would be a very big achievement for both of them.
ये चीज Starbucks में शायद 2 महीने में होगी, but you go to CCD ये चीज हमारे 1 हफ्ते में होगी.
Who's
That
How
is-
can you guarantee
that is-
that?
obviously that
How
can't
can you
happen.
guarantee that two unknown people will
Yeah.
network
CCD
together in
or-
within 1 week?
You-
उसमें
obviously-
environment
If
से
you go
कुछ
to
फर्क
CCD,
नहीं
it would
पड़ता।
cost you 200, and if you go to a barista, it would cost you 300. वहाँ भी cost लग रहा है, यहाँ भी cost लग रहा है, लेकिन
Difference उसी में बहुत हो जाता है. मैं personally रोज
Because
शाम को
you know,
नहीं कर सकती.
if two people are coming there alone with the intention of meeting new people, they'll meet new
It's not
people
just
at
the
both the
intention
places in
to meet
1
new
week.
people.
If that is the
It's
case.
not
exactly, I'm not.
If that is the case, it will not take 1
Actually,
month for any
मेरा
of
point
them.
from the starting
There's
is
so
that
many
there are
other
people who are
things
doing
that
it just for the
people
sake of doing it. You know, they have
I
no
know.
intention of doing networking.
I don't think
That's
so.
how they
They
do
have
it.
क्योंकि
अगर
if
कुछ
if
किया
someone
they have
like
a
you
point
said,
to prove that. They have a point. तो
Like,
इतने
let
ऐसे
me-
काम
let me-
संभालने के लिए नहीं करता है.
let me come back to what you said. You told there are people who are unable to say no to other people and that is why they go. So that means they're going for the networking.
They're not going for the networking.
Yes,
They are
exactly.
going for the friendship giving
For the
each
guilt.
other.
So friendship and
guilt.
let's call friendship a part of a networking. So in
Not
that
always.
case,
Not
not
always.
always.
Majorly. But
If
in our
someone,
life,
if
in our
someone,
life,
no.
if someone who's so shy to tell his friends that he cannot spend 400,
तो
he
कोई
will
बहाना
not
नहीं
fall
देगा।
in the friendship circle. He will fall in the networking
कोई
circle.
बहाना नहीं देगा।
Exactly my point.
फ्रेंड होगा तो बोलेगा रास्ता में चल.
Friend होगा तो काम नहीं कर सकते, चलो
Friend होगा
That
तो
point from
हम
the
देगा।
starting ही था. जो लोग afford कर रहे हैं, जो लोग जानबूझ के conscious
I would not call anyone a fool for
जो-
spending 400 on coffee.
I would personally call it क्योंकि मेरे को यही लग रहा है कि काफी लोग I know a lot of people who do
We are
that.
People who do it, they have a point to do it.
According to me नहीं होगा. काफी बार people
1 minute last.
बरिस्ता में जाएंगे।
Last 60 seconds.
So I guess the one who are going there are not fools. They have their own perspective.
Everybody
going
has
there
their own
and
reasons
We can't
and-
call them fools. They have the idea where should they sit
If
and
someone
how
has
much
the
they
money,
should
if someone
spend.
can spend, so well and good,
They
please
should
go ahead and
This
pay.
is what I also
Going
like to
there and
conclude. I
spending
completely
there.
agree कि जो लोग के पास पैसा है, those who can afford it and those who have a point, obviously you should go there.
जाने के
But
intention होना
somebody
चाहिए।
who is going just for the sake of being popular among others कि हाँ
They
ये
are the
Starbucks में
exception
जाके hang out
ones. They
करता
are the
है.
exception
We are the
ones.
exception cases. We are
मेरे
talking about
I think
in that
personally
case,
अभी the clock is tilting more in favor of those people. अभी जो मतलब जो
Maybe the
scene है
clock is
उसकी
tilting, but
लोग
then
ज्यादा
the
show
idea
off भी
behind
नहीं
it
कर रहे
is
at the
not
moment.
just
At the moment जो
going
जितने
for-
लोगों को मैं जानती हूँ, talking about my personal experience.
हमारे लिए हो सकता है 400।
some people like I would say
In
that
fact, there would be people who would not even go to the 400 place. They would say कि ताज में जाके 1000 रुपए का coffee पीना।
ताज में चाय पीने वाले भी ताज में
हाँ।
जाएगा।
Exactly.
ताज में
कहीं
कॉफी
भी
का
जाएगा,
क्वालिटी
कहीं
उतना अच्छा
भी
नहीं
spend
मिलेगा, वहाँ जाने वाले
करेगा,
बंदे
ये 400, 500 और 1000 से फर्क नहीं
सब
पड़ता।
जाते हैं
सब जाएंगे।
people like to take the experience.